Hey, Darren here. In this video, I'm excited to share with you my Buckets app template. Every month when I do my budget, I move money from my checking account to my savings account and vice versa. And unfortunately, the bank I use does not give me the ability to kind of move money around into folders so that I can see how much money is in the different categories that I store money in my savings account for. So for years, I've been doing this in a Google Sheet. And what I wanted to do now that I'm making Glide apps is create an app interface that does exactly what I need, and then also share this app with you so maybe you can use it or make something else with it. So Buckets basically looks like this. Let's just dive right in. When you log in and you don't have any buckets yet, it's going to give you this kind of welcome telling you about the app, basically what I just told you and what I'm about to show you. The first thing you need to do is create a bucket. So I'm going to click plus down here, and the first bucket you should always create and money you should always set aside is an emergency fund. So I'm going to put away $1,000 in my emergency fund. And so now let's go ahead and add another thing that I might be saving money for, like vacation. Let's say that I have $600 set aside for vacation. And let's do one more, and let's just say I'm saving up for a new car, and I have, a lot of money set aside for this. So here, now that I have put in my buckets and I've put in the money that is in each of those categories, I can see that I have over $7,000 allocated. So the goal is to get this number to match the balance of my savings account, and I do that by adjusting the different buckets, adjusting the money in them. And so what I can do is like come to vacation, and let's say that I have $60 more to add to this. I can click plus and 60 and add that $60. And let's say something went wrong this month and I need to take some money out of my emergency fund. I can do that by simply subtracting $400. And there we go. Everything is all balanced, and I know exactly how much money is in each of the categories for my bank account. And so now when I go on vacation, I can look at this and see, okay, I can comfortably spend $660 and not going to break a sweat because I know I have the money. And that is Buckets. That's the reason I made this app. So if this is something that you want to kind of take your own spin on, then you can copy this app by going to the link and clicking copy this app, and you can take this app and make it your own, and it's all there for you. This is Buckets made by me, Darren, and I'm happy to see what you can create with this template.